Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. In this video, I will describe about a Android based antenna positioning system. So let's check the full operation of our project first. In this system, we used here a LCD display, one Arduino Nano, one SMPS and one HC05 Bluetooth module and also used here a antenna, and this antenna will be controlled by using a vertical servo motor and also a horizontal servo motor, and antenna will be seated here in the upper side of servo motor. To control the position of this antenna, we will use here a smartphone, and from this smartphone we will send command to our Bluetooth module, and in this command we will included here servo motor serial. Here we used two servo motor, one for vertical and another for horizontal. So S1 means it's horizontal servo motor, and in this part we will set degree angle, and that will send it from our smartphone to our Bluetooth module, and Bluetooth module will send collected data to our Arduino Nano, and Arduino Nano will take necessary steps to set the position of our antenna. So you see that this S1, that means horizontal servo, is uh, following the command of our smartphone, and we can change the position angle, and it's very simple. Just you can modify your command from your smartphone, and then you can send this one to our system. So this same policy will be used here for our vertical also. On that case, we need to change the S1 to S2. So when it will be changed, at that moment our servo motor 2 will be active. That means our vertical servo motor will be worked here to set exact position of antenna as per our requirement. So you see that S2 is now 130 degree, and you can control this angle from 0 degree to 180 degree for horizontal and vertical servo also. So this is the procedure of our system, and it's very effective and interesting project. So in this system you can add it here different types of features if you want, like load control and another options also. So in this system we used here a SMPS that will make sure 5-volt power supply for our servo motor, Arduino Nano, LCD display and our HC05 Bluetooth module. And in this system we used here a LCD display that will show the rotated angle for every single servo motor, and this full operation will be controlled by using this Arduino Nano, and this is the full operation of our project. Thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again, and Allah Hafiz.